Alright, quick little update on the Impala 1996 build. The mats came in and the headlights, LED headlights. Probably gonna put them in today, but show it to you right quick. Just something simple. Ain't nothing too fancy about them, but I'm gonna start these bad boys today. Shouldn't be too hard. Also, these the carpets that I got. The Ace, what? I think ACC. Show it to you real quick. They got some originals on the Impala logo on them. Snap into place. Should be good. I can't remember what cut I got, but I know it was one of the highest cut that they have. So, and if you get them, I just get them from Rock Auto. Got them from 150 instead of the, I think on their website it's like maybe 250, 212, something like that. So you know you'll save a couple dollars, which ain't a bad thing. But I'm going ahead and start these headlights. So go ahead and pop the hood. Actually, I think the hood already popped. Alright. Which it is. Hood is already popped. I gotta clean up. I gotta clean the engine bay up. One of the problems with having a car that sit outside for a period of time. These are the original bulbs that come with them. Alright, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Put some gloves on too. Just in case I can say the bulbs at least. But for the most part though, the engine bay is clean. Just got a little road grime onto it, but ain't that too serious. I want to get a new one of these too, but I might just clean that up too first. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get into this. I don't give you much space to work with. Twist this off. Let's see. Should just slide out. I don't think they have anything that hold them in. None of these old Impalas. Yep, just slide right on out. And they're too difficult. That's one thing I do like about older cars. Easy to work on. Now, if I could just get this bad boy out while breaking the bulb. There we go. Get it out. Wasn't too difficult. All making it difficult is this wire harness in the way, but besides that, smooth. Something catching it though. Allowing me not to. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now it should just be Smooth. 1, 2. There we go. Alright, yeah. Let's not lose that. We're gonna need that. I'll just put them over here for now. I don't cut myself already. Alright. I probably want to clean this up too. Once I see that and I did drop it. No won't be no DIY. You fucking shit up. Or no mistakes. Let me put that right there this time. Alright, you're supposed to turn these bad boys to the, I think, 3 o'clock rotation. Oh, almost forgot. You take this piece off right here. Slide that off. Slide that piece on like that. Then you slide that piece back on too so it can fit up in there. Alright, let's see. Alright. Work with me here, light. Don't be no bitch. I might have to zip tie these up somewhere too. But they won't rattle around on me. I think I can find a. Alright. Alright, come on, slide up in there. There we go. It's installed. Nah. Make sure the back one on too. I don't want that falling out while we driving. So, alright. Don't tell me I got this backwards. No, I don't. I'm just on at the bottom catching it. Making the knot go smooth. Let me turn it. Let's see. Actually, I think they is backward. Actually, let me make sure. No, they ain't backwards, so. I don't want to clip. Should have just been an easy little 1-2, but I don't know. Alright, my bad about that. I just want having it in a good fit, so let me get started. But I got it on. I got to turn it, make sure, you know, that's pointed up. And it's a little better to do out the gloves, but that one gonna be a little difficult to get out. I might got to take the battery out for this, but that's pretty much gonna be the difference between that and the LED. And just see much brighter, much better. They ain't cost me too much, maybe maybe $30. Also, too, my bad about the heavy breathing, man. Out here in Georgia, the pollen out here. My nose and stuff just stopped up. So let me at least get the other side out. I should have went in the store and got my other glove at this. These just tear way too easy. Alright. Let me start working on this side. Hopefully I don't got to take the battery out because I don't feel like doing that. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the car off. Turn the lights off. Alright. I think last time I did, I ain't have to. I was able to do this while taking the battery out, but I really want for this. A little wire piece, wire connection. It'd be so much easier, but alright, come on. Can I wiggle it out? Come on. It's coming out. Might need to go get a flathead or something if I can push these wire covers down and out of my way, because currently that's what's stopping me from I doubt they're gonna have any gear. Come on. I can tell that's in the back piece though. I'm really stopping it from coming out. I ain't just make it easy for me just go ahead and take that battery out. But if I can't get out the next minute or two, I'm just going to take the battery out. This is insane. I just want to come out, but And that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this battery out. Maybe I don't have to take it all the way out. Maybe just I gotta loosen it up. I'll be back. Alright. I was able to get it out. Had to take a little finesse, but I was able to get it out, or at least disconnect it from the housing, because I'm gonna have to loop it back. Because now we're really stopping at like this piece right here. Will not get past this, so I'm gonna take a little finesse to get this out. Let me see. Trying to do it without breaking it, but you know what? Let me see if I can slide this out. See if I can push this back in. Slide this out. Yeah, that's what I had to do. That's way more difficult than what it had to be. I can tell you that. Way more difficult. This made me break a sweat. Alright. Now how I'm gonna install this. What would be the best way to go about installing this? So I don't want the same problem like I just had. So let me see if I go. Baby. Come in this way, maybe. Let me go ahead and connect these bad boys up too. Now that's the most I ever struggled to get the headlight out of any car. Alright. That was a little easier. Alright. Got it in. It made me struggle for a little bit, but I got it. I just gotta put the battery back in, seat all that stuff back up, tie everything up, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the battery back in. I don't know if y'all noticed, but You know, it just take a little 13 mil to secure it back in place. You know, I would disconnect the battery. You always do. Negative and positive, positive, then negative. Them modules just sitting right there. I do want to add, like, I do have some zip ties I'm probably gonna add to them, but these too small. I could join them together, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna go like the Harbor Freight or Walmart or something like that. Get like bigger zip ties. And put my amp wire back down. Everything is good. Let me show you. Oh, lights do work. See a huge difference. Much clearer on both sides. So engine running healthy, engine running smoothly. Just gotta clean this baby up. I'm probably gonna detail it though. I'm gonna do a full detailed video of it. Maybe do a slight little paint correction, polish up the wheels, stuff like that, but there'll be another video. Then I'll probably install them mats down there too. I got front and back, so just gotta reset everything and everything good. Let me make sure the high beams work too. High beams are on. So that's about it. The job itself ain't really too bad, honestly. It wasn't for that wire bend in the way. It wouldn't have been too bad, but ideally was some good gloves, but I just went ahead and took the gloves off, man. I work better without the gloves anyway, but ain't that a little soap and water can't fix. But yeah, just everything. Next video probably will see me. Oh, I'll probably get some tint done in my next video. I'm gonna tint all the windows with ceramic, 80%. And that'll probably be my next video. But alright though, I'm out.